down to the end of May. It's the 22nd, and I'm working on the lawn today. See this? I am working on getting this dethatched again. And I know you guys say, oh, I thought. Yeah, you did think. And yes, I did do this about a month or so ago. But guess what? I want to do it again because I've got my machine, I own it, and I want to do it again. So you guys, I tell you, are a for live right now society, okay? These little patches right here, all these patches of dead grass and dead spots. You guys are over anxious and impatient, frankly. Kentucky bluegrass takes a lot longer than just 6 months to establish. If you guys are trying to grow a lawn from seed, you better plan on 24 months. And it has not even been 24 months since I seeded this lawn. Steps must be taken to get it to fill in. I need to put some more seed down. There's a fella right there on a bicycle and he's kicking some serious butt, making good time. Look at these guys coming through here. Bicycles, motorized scooters, all that fun stuff. Woo-hoo-hoo, fun. I'm taking the Dethatcher to this, and the reason is because I'm trying to, look at all that POA. See all that? That's all POA Anya, or POA Triv. That lime green color, nasty stuff. But all these spots, there's more POA. Pretty sure that's all POA Triv. POA. Everywhere. Lots of POA. This machine right here, this is a Dethatcher, okay? Power rake, they call it. This is a Husqvarna, but you're mostly gonna see these in the residential world named Bluebird, okay? Bluebird or Billy Goat or one of those suckers. They're all kind of the same. They're manufactured pretty much identical. So I replaced the Delta reel with these flail blades, and they're already starting to wear down on me. I see that. This is a fantastic machine here. This thing cost me $850 about 5 or 6 years ago. And this is a slice seeder, but I changed the little slicer for the flail reel. This thing is essential for tearing up the lawn and getting that thatchy, thick, matted layer that you get with Kentucky bluegrass. If you're trying to go from tall to short, you really got to remove that thatchy layer. And it's not necessarily thatch, it's just kind of roots that live up on top of the soil. She needs some gas in the pressure washer. She's doing some pressure washing. So I'm gonna help her out with the gasoline. No. Oh, what do you mean no? What seems to be the problem?
I want to be on camera.
Why? PJs. So I'm gonna put some gasoline in this pressure washer. She's washing this rug over here. So this is my pressure washer. This is a Harbor Freight Predator engine that I put on this guy. This gas can really sucks. So she wants me to help her with this, so I'm putting some gas in here. Just don't want to overfill it because this is on the lawn. Just want to be careful when you're filling up stuff on the lawn that you don't spill gas all over the lawn. I about had a near disaster there. So this is a Predator engine. It had a Honda engine on it, but I removed it because it just kind of gave out on me, lost compression, and I got the air filter removed so it'll run easier. But we're talking about a Predator engine here, folks. Let's get back to the task at hand in the front. So the Dethatcher, I'm telling you, I use that thing a couple times a season and dethatch and just thin out the turf. It works so well because when you mow your lawn short, it gets thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker over time. So this is money well spent for me. You don't use it a lot, but when you use it, it makes it so super awesome to have. I did this section 2 days ago. It's been raining for the last day, which is really good. We need rain. I mowed this 2 days ago at a 1/2 inch double cut, and then I was like getting bored and want to do some more. So I came through here with a Dethatcher and tore up with all the lawn here. The main reason I want to do this is I want to put some seed down, and I need good seed to soil contact. So I want to try to get these sections right here filled in. I'm gonna put some seed down, perennial ryegrass seed. These yahoos over here making all this noise. Bang, bang, bang. Like, shut up. This is a decent gas can. This one is like, I call it a no spill. It's decent. It's not as good as the Sure can, but it's a decent gas can. Man, that holds a lot of fuel. Right there. Now let's see if she'll start now. can see right here, I've got a bump in elevation from the asphalt to the lawn, and it's due to frost heave. And so I've really kind of gone heavy along the edge here, all the way down the edge, you can see there, because I'm trying to shave that section down. It's too high. I finished there dethatching or thinning out. It's not really dethatching because it's not really thatch, it's more so just grass. I also did this section here, so I've been at this for probably an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. So I need to clean all this up. So I'm gonna get the blower out and start blowing this stuff. See if we can get it cleaned up. All right, so now I just want to clean up all this thatch or this grass. I'm gonna try to blow it into a pile here in the center. Days. That was Saturday that I was cleaning up and dethatching and doing all that stuff. Today is Monday, so it's been a few days since I have been able to work on this. It was really windy, so I wasn't able to put the seed down, so I got to do a quick mow because it got away from me and I let a few days get ahead of me. So I didn't really want to do that. I wanted the grass all opened up so I could lay the seed down, but now it's just going to roll it over, which is okay. It kind of needs to be mowed anyway, so it's been a few days. So I'm going to mow it, and then hopefully it's not too windy after I get done, put the seed down. I want the lawn as short as possible when I put this seed down, because I'm not going to be able to mow it for a few days, so I let it grow. And then I want to put the seed down as quickly as possible after using the Dethatcher that opens up, and so my seed can get down to brass tacks the soil. Things have woken up around here. My trees are starting to get the leaves on them. We're about 1 week away from Memorial Day, so historically, about the month of June or mid to late June, that's my best month in terms of lawn, and then in September. So look at the color difference between the new and the old. That's the Everest, that dark green. That's a beautiful variety, nice dark green color. Beautiful, beautiful grass. Happy with the choice to go with Everest. Sucks that it has this different color here, but maybe one day I'll do the renovation over here, I don't know. Need to put that mower away. And then I've got a sprinkler head back here that needs to be adjusted back there. It's just, it's not turning, it's just spraying in one solid direction there. That's gonna pretty well do it for this video. Hopefully the next video I'll be able to put the seed down. Hopefully tomorrow I can do that and it's not super windy. I've been hesitating to put the seed down because I don't wanna do it in the wind. It will just blow away. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. What? What do you want? What do you want? Hello, honey.